Do you have never experienced an orgasm with penetration? If you have never experienced orgasms with penetration, here's what you need to know. The reason people with vaginas cannot have penetrative orgasms is because of the way their bodies are structured. About 10 to 30% of people cannot have penetrating orgasms because of the way they are structured. Because our nerves are wired differently for different people, we have a greater chance of experiencing orgasm at our most sensitive parts. The clitoral orgasm occurs through friction caused by rubbing or stimulation of the sofists, which is our genital areas, or clitoral orgasm. A lot of people are unable to have orgasms because the friction within the vaginal penetration feels different and there aren't as many nerve endings, so they don't experience the same sensation inside their bodies. Vaginal orgasms can be achieved as easily through the vaginal nerves, so for those who wish to find out how to achieve them, they need to activate the vaginal nerves. In order to increase the neural connection between the mind and the body, you can focus on what feels good when your vagina is stimulated by focusing on what feels good in order to develop the feeling of pleasure. This awakening of the vaginal muscles is what a genital massage, vulva massage, vaginal massage or internal massage is all about. Our genitalia massages, vulva massages, are all about the vaginal muscles being awakened. Some people may find that using their own fingers on themselves is not as easy as using a dildo, vibrator, or even their own fingers or with their partner because they may feel that their arm is not long enough. In these circumstances, it's important to choose toys that are of good quality, so even if you purchase a vibrator, you can always switch it on or off. A genital massage or vulva massage made from high-quality medical-grade silicone will not disintegrate or have different particles like other products inside of you, so that's an important point to know too. If you need an orgasm, then you need to relax, then you need to focus on arousal, and then allow it to happen. You don't have to hire practitioners to do this. It's your body, it is your right to explore it, and to understand that to have an orgasm, you first need to relax, then you need to let it happen, and allow it to happen. In order to build neural connections, you need plenty of time so that it can learn how to build and form, so that a pathway called the neural pathway can be created. So knowing that even with all your efforts it may take time is very important. Even after exploring yourself internally and trying to have a vaginal orgasm, you're still not able to have one. Firstly, the structural challenge is that we are not as sensitive internally, and secondly, the development of brain pathways requires time. Additionally, it is very common that many people do not experience orgasms during penetration, so there is some pressure that people who do not experience vaginal orgasms can feel from their partners. Despite the fact that they may feel that you are different than their other partners, don't let that bother you. Everyone is different, and what is more important is that you both enjoy the intimacy process. Then you will walk away from the relationship as better individuals, not worse individuals. So if your partner shames you for the way you look, the way you feel, the way you act, then this is the relationship for you. If your partner pressures you, then you are probably not the right person to be with in the first place. If you have a partner who is persistent with you, this does not feel right, speaking your mind is important. It's also important to let them know that there's nothing wrong with them, we're just all unique. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos from us.